Number 2.
I mean 2.
What to drink?
Yeah.
And then what's drink about?
Oh, what's here? What pop?
Pop or like juice or
Pop?
coffee.
Juice?
An apple juice.
Can I get apple juice?
Apple juice?
Anything
Apple
else?
juice?
What?
Anything else?
No.
That'll be good.
And I got
That'll be good.
1782, second window.
Yeah, yesterday when we went to Morton's to get Michael a cap, I pulled up to the window and I said, can I get a large ice cap with a shot of espresso? And Lucy goes, and a sucker! Into the thing.
And a sucker. Yo. Fine. Let me see your watch. Was